Welcome everyone to the Building AI Application Challenge. We have 2 days left for this amazing challenge to kick off. We have approximately 178 people who have joined so far. So thank you for that. Lot of confusions about what you need to build, what are the things that you have to work for. This is a platform for you to have an idea. You might have something that you want to build. Use the help of AI to help you get there as well. We have some live workshops within the community. We have some support materials that are there. We have a free mini resources. We have our mini AI builder vault as well as our programs that are there. So depending upon which stage you are, you can take the help accordingly. So now coming to the important dates, September 27th, 9 a.m., the checkpoint is going to open. And my only message for you is to fill the idea template that you have, and there is a Slido Q&A question which I'm going to also share with you in this video description. Please do fill that as well, and all your Q&As will get answer as we speak. So let me just share my screen and go a little bit deeper into the platform. So as you can see, we have approximately 178 amazing people there in this particular uh, challenge. So keep the feeds active. If you go to the feeds, you will be able to submit, you will be able to share the details about what you are doing. You will be getting points upon the number of celebrations and comments that you receive as well. So this is one way of you to also be high on the leaderboard. And I'm giving this message again to everyone. Right now, you can see Mr. Mohammed Fayaz is on the top with 175 points, and others are picking up very quickly. Other than this, we have many recordings that are there. If you go to our overview folder, you will be able to see all the details here. As you can see, this welcome day zero, you will be joining a mandatory WhatsApp group. These are the different sources that we have for you to get ready, and also social media sharing is important. And the Slido questions, if I just go to Slido and share with all of you the latest details, log in, and this link is already there, and let me see if there are any questions that are here. And this is our Slido link that is there. So someone is asking about AI residency discount as of now. So just to know, there is specifically no discounts, but there is a scholarship. So this is the link. I'll be putting this link as well on the WhatsApp group. Please put your all your questions in the WhatsApp group. And as you can see, this is the mandatory WhatsApp group here. So I will request all your questions. Please put it here. And now coming to the events that are there. So today we have an event at 7 p.m. Dubai time, where we'll be talking about some real use cases and also taking some Q&As from the Slido link as well as from the community, and we'll be talking about the different updates that are there. So your work is to make sure that your document that you have, the day zero document, that is the mandatory document here, has to be filled, which is required for you to submit in the day one, that is starting at 9 a.m. And the point system, again, for the people who are new, is depending upon the time you submit and how fast you submit and how accurate you submit. If you're not submitting accurately, your points will get disabled for that checkpoint. So best of luck and continue the learning, and see you in the next video. Make sure you join the online calls, support each other, and take the journey forward. Bye bye.